In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website banner using Canva. Whether you're working on your own personal blog or a professional business site, having a vibrant and eye-catching banner can make all the difference. We're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure you create a banner that not only looks great but also fits seamlessly with your website's theme. Let's start by heading over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll want to type website banner into the search bar. Canva offers a diverse array of banner templates that you can choose from. These templates are designed to make your job easier by providing you with ready-made designs that can be customized to your liking. Take a moment to browse through the selection and find a template that matches the style you're aiming for. After you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it to begin customizing. You'll want to select Customize this template, which will open the design in Canva's editing interface. Here you have the chance to tailor the text and images to better reflect the message you want to convey through your banner. Think about what you want your banner to say. Is there a catchy slogan or critical piece of information you'd like to highlight? Click on the text elements within the template and edit them to fit your needs. Next, we're going to add a personal touch by incorporating custom images. Head over to the Uploads tab, which you'll find on the left sidebar. This feature allows you to upload images directly from your device to Canva. Simply drag and drop the image files you want to use into the upload area. Once your images have been uploaded, you can easily drag and drop them into your banner design. This is a great opportunity to use high quality images such as your company logo or any relevant visuals that align with your brand. You'll notice how intuitive Canva is when it comes to replacing images. As you drag a new image over an existing one in the template, Canva will automatically replace it, keeping everything neatly in its place. This allows you to maintain the original design's balance and proportion while incorporating your personal elements. By the end of this process, you'll have a custom-made website banner that not only enhances the look of your page, but also communicates your brand's essence effectively. Once you're satisfied with your design, simply download it in your preferred format and upload it to your website. Remember, a well-designed banner can significantly impact how visitors perceive your site, so take the time to make it truly representative of your vision. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to create stunning, impactful banners with ease using Canva. Keep exploring, keep designing, and make every piece count.